Hello everyone, so now we are going to discuss the loopback interface because we are going to use the loopback in many places, like when we are configuring the OSPF also, and when we are configuring the MPLS, VPLS, we are using the loopback because this is a logical interface and it will never go down. For BGP also we are using loopback, and for our purpose in our lab example, let me show you why we will use in our lab. Imagine I have one router here R1 and I have another router here as a R2. I have two router I connected this way. We will assign here IP 192.168.1.1 or 12.0. As we are saying, this will be .1, this will be .2. And here I need to connect this to one switch, and then from here one PC, and assign some IP here, some IP here. Instead of doing this one, what I will do, I will create one logical interface, like I will say loopback 0 and I will give any IP like 1.1.1.1. Instead of taking switch and this PC, I will not take this. Directly I will create one loopback. I will say loopback 0 and I will give IP 2.2.2.2. So we can do our lab by using the loopback also. Means instead of connecting switch and assigning the IP to the interface, if we assign to the IP to that interface will be down till we connect to any physical device. So we need to bring one switch to connect this one, so this interface will go up. But instead of that one, what we will do, we will create loopback, and this is a logical interface. By default it will be up, and we can assign any IP and we can do the any routing protocol. We can put this interface in the routing protocol. Same thing, we can put this interface in that routing protocol. So it is easy for us also. So what we can say, what is loopback, how we can define the loopback? We can say loopback is a interface. Loopback interface are the logical interface. It allows us to assign the IP address to a router or layer 3 switch, which is not type physical interface, and it will never go down, it is always up. It is a logical interface, it is not a physical interface, because if we have any physical interface, we will have issue. Maybe someone unplugged the cable, maybe interface is faulty, but this is a logical interface. It will not go down. It never go down till we manually put this down, or if router is broken, then only it will go down. If router is not broken, it is working fine perfectly, and no one is manually putting this interface down, it will not go down. Like the physical interface, maybe it will this interface maybe have issue, maybe it will faulty, or maybe someone remove the cable. So for that purpose we will prefer the loopback interface to make the connectivity with the BGP. Also we will use the loopback to make the connectivity with the MPLS, also VPLS we will use the loopback. So how we can create the loopback? Simple, just we need to write interface and loopback, and we can give the number, whatever number you want to give. It will start from 0 to big number. I will show you what is the range. So we can give loopback 0, loopback 1, loopback 2, whatever we want we can write. And simple, same way as we assign the IP, we can write IP address and give whatever IP you want to give, and give whatever subnet mask you want to give. This way we can create the loopback. Let me show you how we can do. We can create somewhere here, maybe in this router we can create. Okay, so let me start one router here, and I will create here only. I will go inside this one, and I will show you the range also. What is the range for this one? This is very big range. We can create number of loopbacks. Even if you don't have physical interface, we can create the loopback for doing labs, so we can have the multiple network in our router. So I start the router now. It will take some time. After that I will go in the enable mode. After that global configuration mode. Now we will write interface, then LO. If you want to write full form, just press tab, automatically it will come. Okay, press tab key. Okay, it came, and then press question mark. So you can create from 0 till 21474836647. This many number of loopback you can create, but for our lab purpose only 2-3 is enough. So no need to have this many number of loopbacks, but this router is supporting this many loopback. So just I need to write interface loopback and give the number. I will give 0, and then we will write IP address See, just now when I write interface loopback 0, automatically this interface go up. I did not write no shut. Automatically this loopback go up. Okay, so now I will assign the IP address, and whatever IP you want to give. Example, if I want to give, let me give 1.1.1.1 255.0.0.0. and if you want to check how we will check, same thing, we will write show IP interface brief. So here you can see this is a loopback 0 and this is the IP and this is up. If we want to make this as a down, we can do like interface loopback 0 and we will write here shut, so it will go down. Do show IP interface brief. With this one we can check. This is administratively down, means someone put no shut. So now I will write someone put down. This administrative down means someone make this as a down. Now I write no shut. So automatically it will not go down. If router go faulty, then only it will go as a down, or someone manually put that interface down, then only it will go down, else it will not go down. If you see, this is our loopback. So in this what we learn how we can create the loopback and how we can assign the IP. Okay, so let me stop.